Show me the goods. Today we're going to be unbagging this toddler doctor playset. We have a toddler that's very excited. She wants to see her doctor kit. Oh, you better get down there. Doctor, doctor. We decided to pick this up on Amazon because our toddler has been pretending to do doctor with toys that are not actually medical pieces. So she's pretending to be a doctor, but okay. Okay, the moment of truth. We had to take out some tape with scissors. And we have a toddler that's excited. Yeah. Yes. Open, 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 open. What's inside the box? Yay. Yay. We got a stethoscope, a thermometer, a blood pressure machine. What else? I think we have a little hammer, a little syringe. That is, a thermometer maybe. That is a little badge. We have a syringe, a hammer. Cool. And we got a little syringe. And I think you can get a little apron or bag. Let's see what's inside here. What did you say?
Open it.
Open it. Okay. Now she's officially doctor. Okay, doctor. Put your toys in the bag. Doctor, doctor. I have owie in my foot, doctor. What are you going to do? Owie. Here, check my foot. Ah, yes. Thank you, doctor. What else, doctor? Check my temperature. Oh, boy, doctor. You're a good one. What you got there, doctor? What is that?
Look, it's a light.
This one's got a light. I think that's a thermometer.
I think it's supposed to be for, to look at your mouth.
Combination blood pressure with stethoscope. Oh, actually, they're separate. Pretty cool. Okay, it's got Velcro. You put it in the wrist. And you got a little pumping mechanism, and it spins. Very cool. Doctor, doctor, the stethoscope is the ideal toy for the kids. Now it's official. There you go, doctor.
This little thing, so you pull it in.
Whoa, it makes noise. Very cool. All right, that's about it. If you guys have any questions down below in the comments, I did provide a link to Amazon in the description. If you guys decide to buy from that link, it will give us a small commission. Thanks for watching.